Product management is a complex and challenging field that requires a diverse skill set and a keen understanding of the market, customer needs, and business goals. Modern product managers face unique challenges in today's fast-paced, ever-changing business landscape. Let's explore 5 challenges that modern product managers face and strategies for overcoming them. Product managers must balance competing priorities, including delivering new features, maintaining existing products, managing budgets, and meeting business goals. To overcome this challenge, product managers should prioritize ruthlessly, focus on high-impact activities, and communicate clearly with stakeholders. Market trends and customer needs are constantly evolving, and product managers must stay up to date to remain competitive. To overcome this challenge, product managers should invest in ongoing market research, stay connected with industry leaders, and remain agile and adaptable. Product managers must manage expectations and communicate effectively with stakeholders, including executives, customers, and development teams. To overcome this challenge, product managers should set clear expectations, communicate proactively, and build strong relationships based on trust and transparency. Product managers must leverage data to make informed decisions and measure the impact of their products. To overcome this challenge, product managers should invest in data analytics tools, develop a data-driven mindset, and focus on key performance indicators that align with business goals. Product managers must navigate complex organizational structures and politics to get buy-in and support for their products. To overcome this challenge, product managers should build strong relationships with stakeholders, understand the organizational culture, and communicate the value of their products effectively. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in accelerating modern education.